Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some gel polishes from Rosalind Beauty. So they reached out to me and they asked if they could send some of their gel polishes to me, and I picked the pastel set. So what we get here is 6 gel polishes that came in this very cute box. There's this plastic layer over the box, so we have to get that out first. I was just checking it out here. They are 7 ml gel polishes. This is just the information to show what came in the package. So let's open it up now. Now listen, this is not the right way to use a scissors, so don't try this at home, you will hurt yourself. But yeah, once we get this plastic off and open, we're going to check out these gel polishes. So Rosalind Beauty basically specializes in everything nail product wise. They have gel polish, polygel nails, dip powder, and so on. So I'm just checking out the back of the package here, and it's nice to see that they are free of toxic formulas in their polish, and it's always good when nail companies care about the environment. So these are the 6 polishes here. As I mentioned before, the size is 7 ml, and then we have this little instruction card. It actually explains what UV nail gel is. I actually haven't seen that on any other instruction card. And then when you open it up, they tell you how to apply, how to remove, and that you could do DIY nail art with the polishes as well by adding your own accessories or embellishments to the nails. So I was just going through it here. My camera was a bit out of focus and the writing on this is really small. I had to hold it all the way up to my eyes. But yeah, let's get into the polishes. So we're going to take them out, and they were really secure in here. There was no spillage in the shipping, and it came all the way to Trinidad and Tobago. So yeah, good job on the packaging as well. So we're going to take these out, and then we're going to open up these polishes and see how they look. So while I'm recording this voiceover, I'm wondering why it is I did not introduce myself at the beginning of this video as I usually do, and I figured it was because I was so excited to introduce these Rosalind Gel Beauty polishes. So let's do it here now. My name is Shameen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So let's open up these polishes now. And I'm opening up the blue first, and it is very pigmented. That was my first reaction. It's very thick and nice. And then we have the yellow. Now these polishes don't actually have names, they have some numbers. So this one is called C002, which is basically pastel yellow, and I was really impressed with the quality of these polishes. So going through the colors quickly, this is pastel purple, and then after that we had pastel orange. It looks more peach, but I will definitely say it's orange. And then after that we had pastel pink. Of course you had to have pink in this package. What is nail polish without pink? And finally we have this turquoise or aqua color, so I'll go with pastel turquoise. I don't know, I can't say it's blue. So let's swatch these nails now, and I try to apply a generous amount of polish to the brush to do these swatches, and we're going to be doing that for all 6 of the colors. So let's do that, and then I will check back in when it's all done. So I did 1 coat on camera for these swatches. Even though the polish is very thick and pigmented and the consistency is great, I still decided to go in with another coat off camera. And this is how these swatches look after 2 coats of polish and a top coat. And these pastel colors are to die for. It's really hard to decide which colors I was going to use to make up this set. But let's see what I did. So first of all, we're going to be doing some Gel X dupes today. And I put this calcium builder on my nail as a layer between my natural nail and the gel base, so that it would be easy to remove without damage to my nails. I picked out my nail sizes, and this is shape and length is long coffin, and the 2 colors I decided to go with were the turquoise and the pastel blue. Then also I have some acrylic powder here because I am going to be doing a sweater nails design. And finally what I have here is the base coat to apply the extensions onto my nails. This Rosalind gel polish kit did not come with a base and top coat, so you have to use your own. So gel X loop style, start at the cuticle and work your way upward, and then put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 30 seconds, and then you could do a full cure under your bigger lamp. While I was applying these extensions, the power did go out, as you can see right here. So I had to do all the others off camera. So yeah, these are how they look after applying all of them. And this was not the best application by me. I really have to improve on getting this gel X done. Like one day I do really good and then the next day it just looks terrible. But nonetheless, we're going to file and shape off these nails, and then we're going to buff them so that the gel polish could adhere to them better, and then we're going to apply our gel polish to the nails. So first I'm starting off with the turquoise color, and I'm applying a nice thin layer to my nails, and I will be applying the turquoise color to the pinky and the ring finger, and then the blue to the index finger to my middle finger, and on the thumb finger we're going to go half and half. So in all, I think I applied 2 to 3 coats of each of these colors onto my nails. So when I'm done doing that, I will check back in so we could do our design. So these are how the nails look after applying all of our coats of gel polish, and this is the thumb finger here that goes half and half. So now we're going to check out the design we want to do, and I was checking out Pinterest to see different patterns in the sweater design. So I was just going through them and deciding what I wanted to do, and you know, it's really hard to pick one. So I was looking at another picture here, and then I decided I will try to follow this somewhat, or like even put my own spin on it and freestyle a little bit. So let's go. First of all, you have to apply some top coat to these nails in order to get the sweater nails done. If you don't apply top coat, then your sweater nails will not come out properly. So this top coat here is a no white top coat from Kiara Sky. I've had this for a really long time and it gets the job done. So once we finish applying top coat to all of these nails, we're going to start our design. Adding top coat before you do your sweater design allows your pattern to go on with ease, as well as when you put in your acrylic powder over the nails. That way, when you finish your design, none of the nails will be sticky, and you could remove the extra dust without messing up your pattern. So what I'm going to do now is take my nail art brush, and on top of the nails that have already been top coated and dried, we're going to put our design on top of that, and then add acrylic powder to it, cure it in the UV lamp, and then remove the excess dust to reveal our nice sweater design. So once we finish drawing the pattern on, we're not going to put it in the UV lamp to cure right away. We're going to add the acrylic powder now. So I'm just going to take this cuticle, the end of this cuticle pusher, and make sure that the entire design is covered with the acrylic powder. This is very important because you don't want to have any loose areas, you don't want to have any uncovered areas with wet polish. So make sure and cover it fully. And once we're done adding the powder to the nail, we'll dust off the excess powder as much as we could, and then we're going to put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 1 minute. This is how it looks afterwards, and now I'm taking like an old toothbrush to reveal the design, and this is how it looks. It looks very nice, so I decided to go on with another pattern on the other nail, and you know, of course, we're going to be doing that for all of the nails. I really like these colors, these pastel colors from Rosalind, and it applies so well. If you want to get access to this exact gel polish kit in the pastel color, there is a link in my description that you could use to purchase it off Amazon at a reduced price. It's very affordable and it's valid until the 31st of October, so make sure and go and get it. Again, check the link in my description. I will take you straight to the Amazon link where you could buy this set yourself. So after brushing off the excess acrylic powder on the second design, I realized it was really nice. I really liked it. I liked it better than the one on the middle finger. And then when I did the one on the thumb with the half and half, this is how it came out, and I was even more impressed. So much so that I wanted to change the design. So this is how all 5 nails look after doing all sorts of designs, and then I really wasn't feeling that middle finger and that pinky finger anymore. So I decided that I was going to take them off and reapply them. So yeah, these are how it looked after I applied them, and let's just get the polish on. Voila. So I did half and half for those nails as well, and I'm going to be doing the same design that I did on the thumb because that design ended up looking like the best. And to top it off, these colors really complemented each other. I would love to try it with 2 other colors, but I do not think it would look as good as this one. But I will try it, and maybe I'll make like a short video and post it on my TikTok or my Reels or something. But I don't think we could have a color combo that will beat this, but we will still try. So we're just repeating the process with the half and half sweater print design on the middle finger and the pinky finger. And then that's basically going to be it for this set. These Rosalind polishes along with the sweater design, it really came out nice. So I just took that old toothbrush and I brushed off all the powder, and I didn't want to really apply the cuticle oil as yet because I didn't want to mess up the sweater design or make it look too shiny. But yeah, this gel polish kit is very nice. Pastel colors for the win. So these are how they look once more. Don't forget to use the link in my description so that you can purchase this set at a reduced price off of Amazon. These are how the nails look out in the sunlight, and they look even better out in the sunlight. I was really impressed with this. I got a little close up there. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more nail videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.